Imagine transforming your favorite photo into a stunning anime version in just a few clicks. Meet Different Dimension Me, the AI tool that effortlessly turns your pictures into anime masterpieces. To begin, simply upload your image. Once uploaded, you will have the option to select your preferred version. After selecting your version, click Submit and watch the magic happen. The AI will convert your image into a vibrant anime version in seconds. Once you are satisfied with your anime transformation, it's time to save your creation. Simply right-click on the image and select Save as to keep it forever. And there you have it, a simple, fun way to transform your images into anime art with Different Dimension Me. Try it today and see your photos come to life in a whole new way. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.